My good people, now welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Now welcome back to the #1 channel where they like give news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup for inside this our green white great country, Nigeria. And no be like things they happen. No, you know, say the countryman where they go by the name Omoyele Sowore, in a human rights activist, in a the publisher of Sahara Reporters, and in a former presidential candidate for the African Action Congress. Once again, this man don't get banter with the Nigerian police. You know, say last year for inside we nation Nigeria, our motto na no gree for anybody. But this man will be Omoyele Sowore come back see this year 2025. Now they take that last year motto serious because he no dey gree for Nigerian police at all. Now Oga Omoyele Sowore don slam some officers of the Nigeria Police Force and the Nigeria Security and Civil Defence Corps, will be NSCDC, and he slam them sake of say dem try to stop am from entering the Federal High Court inside Abuja. And normally these officers were deployed to the court based on the trial of the former governor of Kogi State, to be Yawa, over the alleged diversion of public funds and money laundering. For inside one video now we Oga Omoyele Sowore share for his official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X. We now can observe saying they get some kind alteration with the security operatives. Gbas they happen for there as they try to stop them from entering the court premises. They can accuse the officers of joining hands with Nigerian leaders to ruin the judicial system of this our green white green country, Nigeria, while stating that even them, maybe the officers, they don't even get business for inside court. So being there is not right, and at them they follow, they make things spoil for inside we nation Nigeria. He constantly accused the security officers of illegally taking over the court premises because of say dem carry thief come court for his trial. And the person wey Oga Omoyele Sowore they refer as thief na the former governor of Kogi State, will be Yawa. And no be small banter like this, my good people. You know, say as the officers try to stop Oga Omoyele Sowore from entering the Federal High Court, the man called the para, he called the talk. Say why the security officers they shout for him, whether it look like Yawa for their eye. Say like this thing get business for inside court, and it no need to be cleared by either the police or the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, because none of them be an officer of the court, and this na Federal High Court with them plaster so until they go bring a court official, he no go talk to them. And like this now, the officers no get right to stand in front of the High Court. They are not permitted to, they are not supposed to be there. They no be lawyer, they no get right to know his case. And this banter continue until the police officer by themselves can't allow Oga Omoyele Sowore to enter the premises of the court. Now anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, and we self go like hear your thoughts about this very particular topic, so feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another interesting information within my table like this one I need share give the general public. And the cocoa be see, the federal government don't allocate 1.99 billion naira to take buy diesel to power generators today for inside Sowore just for this year 2025. Upon say plans dey ground for a 40 megawatt solar power project wey dey aimed at reducing energy costs. And all this level they happen sake of say delay don't enter the completion of the solar project beyond their initial December 2024 to January 2025 estimated timeline. And based on investigations, based on information what we gather, we find out say for inside the first half of last year, maybe 2024 alone, the federal government spent 88.75 million naira on diesel for the State House Clinic, plus the Vice President Guest House and other facilities. And we can still find out say payments wey they make between the months of March and the month of May for inside the year 2024, they show multiple disbursements to fuel suppliers. And senior officials they yarn say the reason why the money massive like that na sake of say national grid con dey for plenty that period, plus rising diesel prices, that is diesel con cost, and generator maintenance cost that na can force the presidency to sustain power through traditional means. Meanwhile, this solar project, so when the thing don't complete, they expect say the thing will slash the State House 6 billion naira annual power bill to at least 5 billion naira. And as of now, work don already start on a 1.2 megawatt solar plant at the State House Medical Center. But no construction activity has been recorded at the main State House complex as of February for this year 2025. And we can still receive information from one senior official wey dey close to the project, and the official sef come even dey admit am say like this now maintaining generators was unsustainable, and according to him, they dey make this switch because Mr. Presido approve am. So once the thing don dey operational, solar power go dey cover most of their needs from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. That go drastically reduce cost. Dis Magote pipu na wetin the senior official tell Tori pipu concerning the matter. And no be lie, the unstable power grid of this our green white green country Nigeria wey collapse over 10 times for inside the year 2024, the thing now make government and citizens struggle with high energy cost. Everybody feel am for inside we nation. Every now and then you go hear say national grid don collapse, and that kuku make blackout come plaster across we nation. Men wey no get generator or men wey no get fuel to power their generator kukuma dey in darkness. And to many country people, to charge their phones to take do their normal business as usual, e come dey somehow difficult. Meanwhile, the Abuja Electricity Distribution Company wey be AEDC, dem previously demand a 923 million naira debt payment from the State House. Though officials now dey dispute this figure. Dem dey yarn say no be 923 million naira o, na 342.35 million naira, which our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu later approve for settlement. But be it as it may, country people now don dey react unto say the federal government don allocate 1.99 billion naira to take buy diesel to power generators at the State House for this year only 2025. Men now dey react on top the matter, men now dey yarn say omo men, the money e plenty, no be play, and they even allocate a higher money than last year wey be 2024, and dem do all these levels despite the ongoing plans for a 40 megawatt solar power project wey dey aimed at reducing energy cost. So men now dey ask why federal government go allocate a higher sum of money while they dey arrange for solar. This Magote people na the information wey I wan share give the general public. But anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Know say na we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby na to dey give you legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this info and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp sharp. Me dey come your way again with another legit news for you Magote people. Try make you no go anywhere.